something. When I say A, you say Reece. A, A. When I say hip hop, you say forever. Hip hop. Okay, babe, I don't take no breaks. Put up to the test. Who my boss dress? Chance for my neck. Tell you what you does. Let me see you till I'm rich. I still got it all. That you bitches don't pass. Pull up really red. First we collect. You be cool, babe. I'm just not impressed. I can't love it a hit. When you think I get no bread. Niggas gonna stop. Niggas take the fucking fuck. Dragons get it, that ain't not. That's just send you poison. I'm the greatest of all time. You just got that kind of cup. I think they know to see that on my left from my nigga. It's just an apprentice. Hey, okay. I made a way for you niggas. Couldn't keep saving you niggas. Made a mistake when I did it. Flipping the table on niggas. Nigga boy really a menace. I was opening different doors for you niggas. Now I'm on the cold edges. Okay, you came with a squad. All I see is a charity case. I'm at the top and you not. I'm just saying for clarity's sake. I make so much money, I'm not even thinking about taking a break. I make so much money, I'm not even thinking about taking a break. That's cause I got so much money, I still got a break. What if it wasn't a thing? Right out of space in the same. One niggas been shooting that shit with a cereal over the face. They sure you rock your reply, cause that's what I got in the pay. I'm not a 2 or 3, I'm very elite. Hey, hey, when I say hip hop, you say forever. Hip hop. Hip hop. Give it up for Questo one time, man. Give it up for my brother Touchline one time, man. Hold on. Hold on. You know P30's in the building, right? Give it up for my boy Pounds one time, man. Shout out to the Quellas one time, man. Hello, we got Quasi in the building, we got K-Rev, we got Caters up in this bitch, and we got the Slobs up in this motherfucker tonight. Yeah.